Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install the Grammarly Google Chrome extension. I'll show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon and select extensions and select visit Chrome Web Store. Click on it. In search extensions, you just need to search for Grammarly, Grammarly. Press enter. Comes up grammarly.com. Click on it. You just need to check whether it is 41.9k ratings and 4.5 rating star. After checking it, you just need to select the add to Chrome option and select add extension. Now the Grammarly has been added to Chrome, guys. Now you just need to scroll down. You can log in with accounts or you can proceed without creating account, guys. Click on it. And that's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.